No, ooh, oh no, oh no. One animal package, and here's Felix. This package came from Germany and it should contain some animals. It was sent by a subscriber, and in a second you will find out what it is inside. But first let me handle Felix. Here is Felix. We need another camera. Can you stand here? Don't move too much because you will fall. I'm telling you, don't move too much, you will fall. You cannot really hold well to that box. Just stand on one spot. Oh. Here is Felix. You haven't seen him in a video for some time because how can I get the best picture quality? You want to grab on this? What a guy. What a guy. As you know, he really is not super happy when I'm holding him. Sometimes I can easily get him outside of his enclosure, but usually not really. Come on, stop. Be here, be still. I want to get a good shot, but he got some other plans in his mind. Stop now. Look how pretty he is. I'm pretty sure that he is the most handsome chameleon that I have ever seen. He shed recently, you can see the leftovers of his old shed here, but his color is just amazing. Just so pretty, so pretty. And I really hope that he will like tame a bit. Do you plan to be a bit more Okay, whatever you prefer. He actually likes to do that, I don't know why. Oh, don't put your tail inside of my ear. It's not cool. I'm giving up on this camera. The most handsome guy in the dark den. Well, actually, Cappuccino is fairly close. Cappuccino is also a really handsome guy. So I don't know. What do you think? Is he the prettiest guy in the dark den or Cappuccino? Let's make a poll. Cast your vote, and I'm going to drop him off. But I will take this camera. So you can see how I'm dropping him off. There he goes. See you later, alligator. Oh, camera died. And also this camera battery is low. Bye bye, have fun. Let's see if we can get Cappuccino outside just for the good measure. And look, so many poop in front of his house already. I'm constantly cleaning this. Cappuccino, do you want to come out? Puppuccino, where are you? Come. Cappuccino, I can see your nose. We are having a contest here, come out. Cappuccino. You see, slowly but surely he's coming outside, although he's still sleepy. You see, he just woke up, so he's not that he's like 100% beauty. His ears are like not really that stretched and just looking funny. But yeah, this is Cappuccino. What do you think? Is he the prettiest guy or is it Felix? Oh, some stretching action. Whoa. And I think he's going for a to pee. Oh yes, he is. I'm sorry for waking you up, but on every video I have comments like, where is Cappuccino? Is he alright? How is he doing? And you knock down your water bottle again. Ow. Now I need to fix it. I added some fresh water first, and here we go, Cappuccino. Knock yourself out. Oh, he's so cute. Why is he so cute? Oh, and look who is outside. Another pretty guy. Hey, you also look a bit sleepy. Do you want a roach, huh? I bet he wants a roach. So let's help him out. One juicy female. Coming right up. Hey, Thor. Here you go. Do you want this? Oh, yes, you do. Yes, you do. Come on, get it. What's up now? Why you stopped? Oh no, it escaped. Thor, you lost it. Where did it go? I don't see it. Oh, no, chill, Thor. I guess you will need to find it on your own because I don't see where it went. Cappuccino is still drinking. Are you thirsty, little guy? Yeah, you are. You definitely are. Let's give him some seeds. I have them right here. A little bit of these. I usually just throw them here and he picks them up. Cappuccino, I got you some seeds. Come, Come here. Sit. Cappuccino, sit. Here. On the usual spot, you know? No, not there. Cappuccino, look. Sit. Look, here. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, those are some fresh seeds, huh? He still looks super tired. We will let him enjoy those seeds. And now, finally, we will open this box. I already know what should be inside, but you will have to see it for yourself. Oh, and also I have this letter that I received like few months ago, but I always forget to open it. Now it's time to correct that mistake. If you remember, on the BTS I received this. Can you even see this on the... I don't think so. Here, see. Despacito sticker. I already received it while I was on the BTS, and it was from Paul, Abigail and Fiona. Thank you for it, and also for your fan art. And this, although I should just use this camera. This is one picture and this is second picture. Thanks guys. And now we will open the box. I've been stalling this for far too long. A note. Oh, I think that one didn't make it. This one looks fine. And also this one. This one is also alive. Ooh, there is quite a lot. Didn't expect this much. Can't really tell about this one. This one seems fine. This one not so much. And this one also. And what is this? Oh, these are the molds. So all of these are huntsman slings, and they were sent to me by Jonas. The species name is Heteropoda species flores, and these are the molds from, how do you pronounce it? Cupiennius salei, some species of wandering spider. He also have an exec from this species, and of course he asked me if I want some slings, but I'm still not ready for a wandering spider. These are the molds from that species. You see, this is one mold and this is second mold. Yeah, you can see red underneath. Yeah, some species of wandering spider. I definitely want to get wandering spiders in the future, but not yet. Not yet. Now let me see how many of these slings survived. You see this one, this tiny sling. This one didn't make it, and most likely the reason for that is, I don't want to be rude, but it is most likely because of the way they are packed. You don't want to have them in big cups where they have a lot of space to move around, because people that handle these packages, they just throw them away. That's how they do it. They aren't really careful with packages. So if the spider got a lot of space inside of the cup, then it just bounces around until it dies. That's why the safest way to ship slings are those tiny vials, because then you can put paper towels inside and the spider cannot really bounce inside if the package is thrown around. So yeah, this one didn't make it. But this little guy, you see, here he is. He seems fine. I will get a fresh cup for him and we will see how fast it is. We know that huntsman spiders, that they are crazy fast, that they basically teleport, but hopefully I will manage to handle them safely. Let's see. Slowly opening it. I'll just, oh yeah, it teleports a bit. Oh, it jumps, but can you see it? You see it is floating in the, oh crap. No, ooh, oh no. This was quick. This was really quick. You see, thankfully I got it. And I even read that they like to jump, but I was super surprised that it did that. Oh, let's see how the second one will go. This one seems alive, but not really in the best shape, so maybe this one will be a bit slower. Yeah, this one is definitely in a rough shape. You see, there is even a lateralis roach inside. Of course, the roach managed to get out. Come on, get in the... Oh, thank you. Let me try to get this little fella out. Yeah, you see how much slower he is when you compare it with his brother. Yeah, he's definitely not well. You see, he definitely looks unwell. Although really fat. Hopefully he will molt soon and get better. He even lacks one leg. I'll just put him inside of his enclosure. Just hold it there, little buddy. This one also seems fine. You see, it is under that piece of bark. Look, there he is. And here is his molt. That means that he molted during the transit. Yeah, and he looks bolty. Let's just hope that I won't lose any of them. Let's see. Just slowly and calmly. No, just chill, dude. Chill. Look at this Spider-Man. Oh, he's now climbing his web. Here he is, hanging in the middle of the air. He looks a bit fresh. He probably molted recently, because you see he is... Come, just climb like that. There we go. Well, this was actually a super cool shot, and now we have a nice close-up of him. Nice! Sweet, I didn't really expect this, to get this in this video. Now let's try to get him inside of the enclosure. Maybe the best way would be to try to get him to drop down. No, no, no. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Help me out. Oh, yes. Yes, I didn't lose him. Here he is. Oh, let's close this off. Thankfully, he also wasn't super fast like the first one was. Now this one is, you see, I don't think that he is alive. Oh, he actually is. In a bad shape, but he is alive. I'll just try to bring him out. You see, he is not good. But there is always a chance. Of course, I will update you with time. This one is definitely alright, and it is actually in good enclosure, so I won't be even opening this one. I'll just put it inside and call it a day. This one is rest in peace, definitely. And last one, it looks like, yeah, you see down here, dead as he can be. So that means 3 died and 5 survived, although 2 kind of barely survived. So we will see what will be the grand total. Johannes, thank you for sending me these huntsmans. In regards to Wandering Spider, I will see with time, but yeah, we will stay in touch, and in next few videos you can expect updates on these guys. Since they are huntsmen, I assume that they grow fast, but I don't really know any details in regards to that species. This would be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, thumbs it up and comment something. If you want to support this channel more, there's a Patreon page. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe. I upload every Monday and Friday, so see you again soon. Bye!